Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
India is not just a country, it is a land of colors, culture, and courage. Want to know why we love our India so much? Let us explore 10 beautiful lines that show how proud we are of our nation. My India is a beautiful and diverse country. It is the seventh largest country in the world by area. India is known for its rich culture and heritage. People of different religions and languages live together peacefully. India is the land of great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Indian flag has three colors: saffron, white, and green. India has many famous monuments like the Taj Mahal and Red Fort. The Indian Army protects our country with great bravery. India is famous for its festivals such as Diwali, Holi, and Eid. I feel proud to be an Indian and love my country very much. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.